my name is Colleen Adams, and this is the app that I built for my classroom. I named it Adams Apples. I used the program called AppyPie to create my software. It's an app builder that allows you to design an app in a pretty user-friendly way. So when I first started, I went to Design Customization, and I chose the look of my app. And what's nice is that there's a preview of your app on the side. You can design the layout. I chose the circular form. And you can change some of the layout settings. You can hide the icons and just have the words. You can show the circle border. You can change it from light to dark. And then you can choose all your icon pictures and backgrounds. The next step is to go to the features. Now for my program, I decided to do something that parents could use at home. The first feature is the education app. This allows you and the user, so student or parent, to use the dictionary. They can search words. It comes up with a list of definitions. Or Khan Academy, which is a program that allows you to practice the skills that you're learning based off the standards. I included a video for parents. It's from YouTube. It's called Helping with Your Children's Homework. And it explains why it's important to work together for homework and to support your child at home. The All About Me section talks about myself and why we're going to be using this app and how we will be using it. It talks about myself as a mom and a teacher. I've included my website, which is a link to my teacher page at school, how many years I've been teaching, the degrees that I hold, and my business hours. I plan on updating the app so that they can use it throughout the year. This page is my contact information. I added my phone number at school. I added email address. I also included the Remind app and the code to sign up for Remind from my classroom. And I've also included the school's address in case they want to contact me that way, and the school's web address. The next part that I included for the parents is a list of 6 different websites. The first one I added was Classcraft, which is a gamified lesson that we use in my classroom. The parents are able to click on here and sign up to be, to have access to the program so they can see their students' work. I also added Kahoot, which is a great practice program for the kids to use at home for homework, to study for vocab or science quizzes, things like that we set up. I also added Prodigy Math, which is a math-based game that teachers can include in their lessons for to work on their math skills based on the standards. The next one was Math Flashcards to work on basic facts and fluency. Get Epic is a program that we also use for the students during their independent reading time. And they can access that at home as well. And the ABCYA, or ABCYA, is a great website that the kids can use to play games, to learn and to grow with their skills. And it's based off of their different ages they can choose. I think that having the websites listed right on the app is a perfect way for them to access them and not have to remember every single website. It's all right there for them. I also included my expectations for the class. Students will come to school ready to learn, homework must be completed daily, and so on and so forth. I feel like having it right here for them kind of lets them know that it's important to myself and our classroom. I also included a homework assignments page where I can upload daily the homework for the night in case the students don't complete their assignment books for some reason or another. Also, it's easy access for parents. They don't have to go searching on my website to find it. It's right in the palm of their hand. And then I also included some important documents that parents tend to look for on the website. It's a little bit more organized than our website. It's the parent handbook, the change of address form, the calendar for the year, and also our homework policy. I would like to add a few things on here, like upload documents for their reading logs, or to have a reading log that they could just fill in directly on the app. This program does not have that. There's a few things that I would like as an educator to design, but this program doesn't seem to have as many education type features, which I think could really benefit a classroom. There may be some things that we could recommend for that. I feel like the kids would really utilize this as well as the parents, and that would help make our classroom and home time run more smoothly. And that is my app. Thank you for joining me.